Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Highlander fog lights. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and has cooled down before starting any work. For your safety, park your Highlander on a flat, stable surface and firmly engage the parking brake. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Now, let's get to the fog light itself. You'll find the housing located beneath the front bumper, usually on the lower side. To access it, you'll need to remove a few screws from the fender liner. A Phillips head screwdriver works perfectly for this. Once the screws are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the fog light assembly. This step provides the necessary space to work. With the assembly exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. Carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing. Then, press the small tab on the electrical connector and pull it straight off. Avoid touching the glass of your new bulb, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Connect the new bulb to the electrical connector, then insert it into the housing and twist clockwise until it's securely locked in place. Almost done. Now, carefully push the fender liner back into its original position and reattach all the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are snug, but don't over-tighten them. Once everything is back together, turn on your Highlander and test the new fog light to confirm it's working properly. If it illuminates, you've successfully replaced it. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.